Just here in the Huawei store. I'm here today to see the new phones they've got out. They've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 to look at. So let's have a look. So what we got the HUAWEI Pura 70. We got the HUAWEI Pura Pro. We got the HUAWEI Pura Pro Plus, and over here we've got the Ultra. Let's have a look at the Pura 70. This one's a bit different. It's got shiny straight sides, triangle camera setup. And then we got the Pura Pro. A bit more rounded corners on this one. Similar camera setup. More of a rounded edge on the screen as well. Compared to the Pura 70, it's got like very straight, flat edges. Where the Pro version is very rounded across the sides. And then we got the Pura Pro Plus. Again, another rounded edge. And then the Ultra. The Pura 70 Ultra. Rounded edge. The new design camera setup. So let's just try the camera out. So what we're going to do, we're going to start the turntable up. Let that start to spin up at quite a fast speed. Right, so let's start the camera up. So as you can see, that's spinning quite fast. So what this will do, this will take a picture and then take the motion blur out. So that's our shot. So with the camera, as you can see, it can freeze the image and then it will take the motion blur out. Let's just have a look at the zoom lens and what it looks like on the actual camera itself. So this is the wide angle setting. This is on the photo, not the video settings. So there's wide angle for photos. And that's 1 times zoom, 2 times, 3.5. That's 10 times zoom. I'm going to take a picture of that and have a look at that in a minute. And then after that, let's see how we do it. There we go. Then you've got a slider from 10 times. Obviously this is digital zoom now. So as you can see, you've got a little square here. And that's sort of showing you how much it's actually zoomed in on the shot. So 10 times. So we look powered by Harmony OS. Let's go back out to 1 times again. So even 10 times is quite a considerable zoom. Poster over there. Huawei car. Back to 1 times. So these are some of the pictures I took. So obviously the Pura 70 Ultra is their flagship. Right, I've just set the phone up into English so we can see what all the menus are, especially on the new Harmony OS. This phone hasn't got Google at all. Let's have a look. So we can have a look at the settings menu. So these are the sort of settings you get on Harmony OS. Let's have a look about the phone, see what it is then. This one's got more satellite operation, so you've got Tiangong satellite communications, you've got Baidu satellite messaging, MeTime Baidu satellite messaging as well. So let's have a look at some of the accessories. So these are the cases. They're actually on the phone. Here's one with a case on. This one's quite a nice case. Okay, so let's look at the prices. See, that one starts up at 9,999 for the 512 gigabytes, and then the 1 terabyte version is 10,999. We've got the Pura 70, so the 256 gigabytes on this one, which is 5,499 yuan, and then you've got the 512 gigabytes is 5,999, and again there's 512 gigabytes, which is a combo, which is 6,899, and with that one you get these headphones, FreeBuds Pro free. Huawei branding on that. So normally that would be 1,499 yuan, and it's a 1 terabytes version, and that's 6,999. So that's just the basic Pura 70, and then the Pura 70 Pro starts off at 6,499 yuan, and then down to the Pura 70 Pro Plus,